Check 1, 2.
Testing.
Testing 1, 2.
Testing 1, 2. Testing 1, 2.
Test.
Testing.
To sing your praises. Who am I to worship you? It's a blood that makes a difference in me and made a way to enter into your throne. I cannot come near your presence. I could never sing your song, but because of how you poured out your grace, I have come to sing a song out in praise. Imela, Imela, oh Kaka, oh Yekeru. Thank you.
Kadagya mo to e pasi my Palo Sisters. I'm on a special performance here Bethany. The Palo Sisters spoken na kamata in Mike is it. Sorry. Nakamata poke na hiba in Stacy Koni e wa pe tahawa. You see how confident they are? They built from here and they actually become a singer now. Kagaga te Palo Ola ka te mo ke kamata ta pulkalama Bethany aki pe aki loto. Pea kokole ke tau kukuma ka kai whai e lotu ka mata programa e pepini. Tamai he wani ko mawhapita ki a whina, ko ngā koe taimi ko ke hanga tuku ma ke mautolu, ke whahoko e polo kalama koe ni. Tamai mawelo ko ngā koe ke mautolu mau ke vai peka mau hanga peka whina, ke kau mo ke mautolu. Ngai tani ni te mau whakahaha he pohoko ni, tupe mua ke langlangi ai a whina mau kone panga alko susukalaisi, ko mau eiki, amen. Malo, o atu hena tai loto honga ko mautolu kai ngā tonga, i ho maulawa ke mo tuku taimi ka maulawa mai i whiawhini, ke kamata e polo kalama, Tonga Scott Selen wa ape taha iwa, pe koe kamata ane e polo kalama, a hono whawhiawhia i a tau a mononoa o e tamatui. Kai ke te whakaloloa te ukore heni ki tare kita o e Tonga Scott Selen, ke ne hanga mua o atu ki taritari, a lea taritari, ma ki tau tolu i he whiawhini. Ka taka mo paspasi i mai a Ruby Maafu.
Malolele Tonga, welcome to Tonga's Got Talent, the 9th Tonga's Got Talent during this Heilala Festival, 2-week celebration. Without further ado, we'd like to start our program now. But I'd like to thank the Honourable Minister of Tourism, Semi Sisika, and also our biggest sponsor for tonight, which is Digicel Tonga, for their support for tonight's program. We have wonderful programs, we have special performances ready for you tonight, and this is the first time ka taki koe fuafua taimieni ke vahe e tau polo kalama ke kongokonga e ua. Koe ngai tau e walu koe ki muana e fio ka atoa pe ai utau. Koe ahoni koe pooni o ku loto lahi ai ke whakakonga ua e tau polo kalama aia e makehe rewa ai whe auhi ai tau e kauleka i iki i lalo he tau tahaua. Pea koe tahaua lewa ki olunga e tau polo kalama hono ua. Pea koe toko walu na re sisita mai ke kauleka i iki. Pea ofa peke mou kakato mai he pooni. Koe pare anau tolu, koe pare uraki, pare tolu, koe tolu ngeau. Pare wani mangeau, pare uraki tahafe. Koe konga hono ua, koe tau tahaua ki olunga, katau peno pare paanga, pare tolu tolu ngeau, pare wani mangeau, pare uraki tahafe. Ai, pe aku yai mai u special pale pe ya aku foaki ki he toko taha, te unga lele i taha he pooni, mei he e tau kauleka pe ki he kakailalahi, oku foaki moia koe paanga e te au. Oku yai koe toko koe pale makehe e taha, ki he toko taha koe kusa ia taha ai koe matanga, oku ane e foaki e ni paanga e te au. Koe yai koe toko taha koe oku musa ia taha ai, mo scream as loud as you want, ke ne mak pare koe ni. Pea koe pe me umea ofa o tuku ke kauleka, koe ia e whakaawhia ko ho mo whanau, ke mo mea mai ki mua, ke tu whaata na whankilore mo na whanki me ofa ko stenteu, i he kau sponsor koe ni, e tuk whamaloa ki ai a Frankie. Koe ia ke te whaloloa, ofa ke tau mau ha whiau whiawhia, mo ha po whiawhia ofa atu.
Otu hene e whakam. Tataka moto e paspasi mai e co-founder at Tonga Scott Selen. And again, I would just like to thank our major sponsor for tonight, which is Digicel Tonga. They've been sponsoring it for 9 years now. Kei whainu whamalo ia e CEO ka mai pula me kau ngā aue Digicel Tonga i hanau kei kau mai ono pōpō i tani niti tau whanau. Pea he kai ke tau toi whaaloa te o tuku mua ke whanga mua o whatau ke mo tolu i tau kau whakamau i he ewhia whini. Ka pā te mo mea mai peke te pere kau whamau o ki ai David Sifa me Digicel Tonga. Ka taki te wita ka ki mea peke olunga. Ka takani whapaukia i he Digicel Tonga. Ka pā ke mā ke ti pea mo asoa tau whahema kai ke sola ke ataha asoa tau whahema. Ka ta mua asoa ki mea ki olunga. Koe tokotaha is a singer, songwriter, and also entertainer. Pea i kai ngalo ai a tankina pangupōpea me he Ai Coffee Tonga. Kataka mo paspasi mai te pile kau whamau. Pea koe tau taha whoki o ke whakanga e ta whake a tita koe kau whamau. O hai tene sia a hoafi pea mi he vai tohi enterprise. Kataki ki whamare mone ka mo paspasi mai ka judge table. He kai ke te whaolo ka tukuma ke kamata e tau whe auhi i e FPFini. Pea Oko kataki whamare ka mo paspasi mai a Meletovi all the way from Ahau. Pakau Ahau hena? Kataki ka mo paspasi mai a Meletovi all the way from Ahau. Kadak whamare ka whamau, koe ki change of plane ni tawhaaki kone whakahoko-hoko. Ke ino tonga whae ngā au e tawhapa teknikale ki he tau whakahoko-hoko. Kai mu ke te whaoloa te whakawhei Abigail Malapabas, all the way from the Philippines, ke hoko atu ia pia mo tau whiauhi i he FPFini. Koe ki tahine ko nikta o hongo fulu, pia kone tare niti koe hula. All the way from Homa, pia mo e Filipino.
Lang o ayaw. Eh, hindi mo ito ulo. Ito ay hay may lava ke manino. Ai be matanga mo ki paspasi ba tau tani ni tu wotong alele. Kataki ka mo paspasi mai. Atali Adre, Abigail Malapabas, may Filipino pia mo Homa. Katau hoko ato e peke diwet pia mea Namo e Tobi, pia mo Mele Tobi, pia me Maupanga, pia mo Ahau. Ke na hiba, tu ai po hiba ko Shallow a Lady Gaga. Kataki ka mo tari mai, ka mo paspasi o tari mai ayong tariki hoko. I whai e whenu whamalo ia tau kau taha sponsor i e Whewhini. Teacher Seo Tonga, Ministry of Tourism, Waitohi Enterprise, mo ki nau toloko toa pē na nau roto tō ke nau sponsor a Kuro Kalama o Tonga Scott Helen Wāwhe taha i hiba. Kataki ka mo toi tari paspasi i mai, Mele Tovi, ke mo Namo e Tovi, all the way from Maupanga and Homa. Also, sorry, Ahau.
this modern world? Or do you need more? Is there something else you're searching for? I'm falling. In all the good times I find myself longing for change, and in the bad times I feel myself.
Tell me something, boy. Aren't you tired trying to fill that void? Or do you need more? Ain't it hard keeping it so hardcore? I'm falling. In all the good times I find myself alone for change, and in the bad times I fear myself. I'm off the deep end, watches I diving. I'll never make the ground. Cry through the surface where they can't hurt us. We're far from the shallow now. In the shallow, in the shallow, in the shallow, we're far from the shallow now. Hold I'm off the deep end, watches I diving. I'll never make the ground. Cry through the surface where they can't hurt us. We're far from the shallow now. In the shallow, in the shallow, in the shallow, we're far from the shallow now.
Wow. So other words. But before I uhinga utura pe pomgoni, ke o mai ngai tane ni peheni o showcase. Ke lava ke pau hana ka he hiwa. Te tau hoka tu pe mo tau polo kalama e fefini wai ki kiwa ways ke kau kiti. DJ, kataki, te hui maki foi fasti, wai ki kiwa ways ki he kau leka. Kau leka, kone tā pe koe fasi, konga Stacy mo tolu e. Kau kiti pe kake kawa e pa ia e. Kau koe pe ke kau leka, wai kiwa ways le ko teu teu I he komiti. Fasi koni a mo tolu ia. Mami no se pe koe lalo ka ngau papa Stacy e.
Boy in the mix.
That will conclude this evening's entertainment.
But you were so fucking naive. Tú kaya ang alaya ikaw tala sige sa tongan. Lo piga ka pera network kita dito. Yo dala network for the kid of views dito so. whanau ka mami mo tētia. Kore me mua ke tau hoko atu pea mo e tau whea auhi e pewhini. Ka tau hoko atu ke tau tanini ki hoko. Ka taka mo paspasi e mai a Triple MH. Pea mei he hala tu i kolopo o. Whapupanga i mai a e Magdalena Mahfa he hea. Pea mo Matilda Hapoka. Ka taki, all the way from the King Street. Paspasi i mai M&H.
Matango hesema Suyune ete teia hesema Ya ete ohanueta lewofma Ya ela se makfifista Sina etaria me singua for a long time. Crotuma vahili alamaka Fuseko ente maengue vaka vaka Nonoka obana kadine ya mashranga Maela moya yo eru enifara Alfa crotuma vahili alamaka Fuseko ente maengue vaka vaka Nonoka obana kadine ya mashranga Maela moya yo eru enifara El LCO El LCO El LCO El LCO
Basi Basi Ibai. M&H all the way from the King Street Fellow. Pamalo for Kadang pemanaman kita ngamari kau ni tu pun pakai fire no Pamalo ia tak kau sponsor. Teachers Te Otonga Ministry of Tourism, Honorable Minister Say Mr. Sika, Italy Limited, Baitohi Enterprise, Convert Zone Manager, Tonga Gas Limited, 5-Star Construction, Pua Tuitavake, Jetline Transem Shipping Limited. Kau kena tahu ya kau sponsor Polo Kalamatonga Scotland wah petaha hiba. Kata ki pemremore kai ki tu falolo, kita hokwa tu pe mo tau pe au hiono ko. Kata ka mo pasi ibai. Sharia Medicine ni Pipita all the way from Auckland, New Zealand, Colombo, Tua.
She's got everything. I've got gadgets and gizmos aplenty. I've got oozits and watches galore. One thing bobs, I've got 20. But who cares? No big deal. I want more. I wanna be where the people are.
Kata ka mo te pasi Maya Sharia. Sorry, Sharia, just stand there. Sorry, there was a technical issue with your song, so we're gonna restart your song. Is that okay with you?
Yeah.
Kata ka mo te pasi Maya Sharia Pipita. Sharia. Hold up the mic.
Look at this stuff, isn't it neat? Wouldn't you think my collection's complete? Wouldn't you think I'm the girl who has everything? Look at this trove, treasures untold. How many wonders could one cavern hold? Looking around, do you think? Sure, she's got everything. I've got gadgets and gizmos aplenty. I've got oozits and watches galore. One thing about I've got 20. But who cares? No big deal. I want more. I wanna be where the people are. I wanna see them dancing, walking around on those, what do you call them? Oh, feet. Flipping your fins, you don't get too far. Legs are required for jumping, dancing, strolling along down a, what's that word again? Street. How pretty they walk, how pretty they run, how pretty they stay all day in the sun, wandering free. Wish I could be part of that world. What would I give if I could live out of these waters? What would I pay to spend a day warm on the sand? Bet ya on land they understand that they don't reprimand their daughters. Bright young women, sick of swimming, ready to stand. Ready to know what the people know. Asking my questions and get some answers. Lots of fire and what is Wouldn't I love to explore the shore of the past? Out of the sea, wish I could be part of that
Thank you so much. Kataka mo to paspasi i mai Shalia Pipita all the way from Auckland, New Zealand, te mo kolo mo tua. Te tau hoko tai peki a Amelia e noka, pea koe tawa umen ki he konga paka osi ko koe pe auhi ai kaule ka. Kataki ka mo tali paspasi a tali mai Amelia e noka. Pea koe haua toko taha ko ni na ne mono mai ka te au e ki noti. Pea koe ne poi whakalea koe ni e ne ki noti o peheni. This is a song, it's a warning to those who are victims of domestic violence and new rules mea tua lipa. Do you want to say anything to the crowd? Kata ka mau paspasi i mai Amelia e noka. Pea kone tareni tiko e lip sing.
Talking in my sleep at night, making myself crazy. Out of my mind, wrote it down and read it out, hoping it would save me. Too many times, my love, he makes it feel like nobody else. But my love, he doesn't love me, so I tell myself, one, don't pick up the phone. You know he's only calling cause he's drunk and alone. Two, don't let him in. You have to kick him out again. Three, don't be his friend. You know you're gonna wake up in his bed in the morning. And if you're under him, you ain't getting over him. I got no rules, I count him. Forwards, but he keeps pulling me backwards. No, now I'm standing back from it. I finally see the pattern. I never loved. He doesn't love.
Go pasti mo yakin, kalau mo tua, yaya. Taka kalau mo tua.
Pick up the phone, you know he's only calling 'cause he's drunk and alone too. Don't let him in. Pick him out again. Free, don't be his friend. You know you're gonna wake up in his bed in the morning. And if you're under him, you ain't getting over him. I got no rules, I count him.
Toby api te panapana ki kau ngā ati. Kataka moto e Paspasi i mai a Amelia e Noka, all the way from Pasi Moiafi and Kolomotunga. Ladies and gentlemen, last but not the least of the kids' talent tonight, Kataki Tokore ke mo Paspasi i mai. Mele Toby, all the way from Ahau, Homakerikau, Ma'opanga, performing one of the Lady Gaga song, Mele Toby. Kataka mo to Paspasi i mai a Mele Toby.
Late Arizona sky, burning in your eyes. You look at me and babe, I wanna catch on fire. It's buried in my soul, like California gold. You found the light in me that I couldn't find. So when I'm all choked up but I can't find the words, every time we say goodbye, baby, it hurts. When the sun goes down and the band won't play, I'll always remember us this way. Lovers in the night, poets trying to write. We don't know how to rhyme, but damn, we trying. But all I really know, you're where I wanna go. The part of me that's you will never die. So when I'm all choked up but I can't find the words, every time we say goodbye, baby, it hurts. When the sun goes down and the band won't play, I'll always remember us this way. Oh yeah, I don't wanna be just a memory, baby, yeah. Ooh, 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 ooh. 'Cause when I'm all choked up but I can't find the words, every time we say goodbye, baby, it hurts. When the sun goes down and the band won't play, I'll always remember us this way. When you look at me and the whole world fades, I'll always remember us this way.
Wow. Mele Toby, you just threw her off tonight. Ladies and gentlemen, Mele Toby. Judges, and it comes to wrap up the kids' talent tonight. We're going to move on with the youth. Please, lava make it a whako ni ke tau whako ka tau hoko atu ki pe ahi hoko. Tanda tau pe DJ, drop some music, got some giveaways to give out. Kay pamalo ia e peka o sponsor Basta Construction Kuatu e Tavake, Dead Judge Sims Limited, M&A Water Tank Company, Haukua Gas Station, Rico Alofa Beach Resort, S&A USA Store, Satellite System, Shakura Company, iCoffee Tonga, Tony Fashion, Oregon Pacific International, Daphne Hotel, Lita Holding, Tonga Real Estate, Isatara Expertise, Propo Immigration Consultants, Business Services, Perfect Kingdom Holiday, Rima Mahe, Basta Lucy Hapoka, Kiblu Diving, Siona Boutique, Jan Curry House, and Siagana Treble. Kay pamalo ia pe ki motogo ki motole ni moloto lei ke mo sponsor polo kala matonga skotele bua pe tahahiba. Time na tau pe kwa te paka ki motol ko dote na mo resita mai ke pe au ko ni a din ki ta ta tolu ki olunga. Kahi mo benisipe me heni koko atu e tau prama e tau polo kala ma ke pe au to mai kala hi. Isa mo wiketau kore aku ke panongo mai na fio ki mai reba ki te pide ko ni pa pa ko Loco Queens ka ko yeni mo saini mai Di man na foka ka pa ku ke off mai heni ka tiola ta ofa TNT Camila Riahetsen in your brew, Samsoni Pusma Alohi, Tina Pusma Alohi, Salome Toarula Fotu, Rex Mela Iloa, Maria Aitoa, Angelancio, Angela, Kokimotolia, Muhoka, Tutahoka, Kiaga, Telvoko. Champion, 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 champion. Everybody knows say Bravo, a champion, 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 champion. Hello DJ, the Tahoka Tepeki has special item. The special item in the Tahoka Tepeki ai lotonga teteu mai Timi Hoko. Tama ko maupe faseniao. Special item in there for you. Now let's go. Kata kamu pas pasti imayatama kena special item here for you. Patsi. Saria!
That's right.
Siva maila kafesi ele kaudia fea le fia so let's party in the valley. So let's party in the valley. I say, oh, yeah, lefi Siva siva maila ofesi Ele kaulia fea lefi So let's party in the hot valley
Kadaka mo paspasi imay at our special performance. Kadaki ni tau hoko tayo pepe mo tau pulo kalama pe auhi ko ni at may galahi. Tas mala ya isa mo wike tau. All the way from Pangaloto, dengan pangahoko ato ni po solo. Kadaka mo paspasi imay. Isa mo wike tau. Oto nga tao kay tatari ki kau technician ki pakahoko hoko mai ki pamalo ia ipe nga ikaw taha na utolong na sponsor ay pulo kalama i FF ini. Kataki from Nemore ka mo te paspasi mai isa mo iketau all the way from Pangaloto.
The Arizona sky burning in her eyes. You look at me and babe, I wanna get you on fire. It's buried in my soul, like I live only gold. You found the light in me that I couldn't find. So when I'm all shook up, but I can't find the words. Every time we say goodbye, baby, it hurts. When the sun goes down and the band won't play, I'll always remember us this way. Lovers in the night, boy trying to ride. I don't know how to rhyme, but then we try. But all I really know, you will wanna go. The ball of me that you're never die. So when I'm all shook up, but I can't find the words. Every time we say goodbye, baby, it hurts. When the sun goes down Every time we say goodbye, baby, when the sun goes down and the bell won't play, I'll always remember us this way. Oh yeah, when you look at me and the whole world fades, I'll always remember us this way.
Wow. Sorry about it. Nadagi ka mo tayo paspasimaya. Isa mo wiketaw. All the way from Pangaloto. Itaw hoko ato ay pe ki Loco Queens. Basta sa lupe tao tawal pa may longo-longo. Menenaite, para osi, may tao tahiba may humakalikaw. Tamo say ni kupu tao tahano may maufanga. Ladies and gentlemen, Loco Queens! DJ.
I'm addicted to it. I flex on my ex every time that she text me. I'm looking like, hold up. I know I'm the shit, but she saying I ain't shit in my dick. Shut up.
I hear you. Walking on it, walking on it. Ooh, walking on it, walking on it.
Baby, show me that shit. Show me love. Show me love. Show me that shit. Show me love. Show me love. Wobble on it. Wobble up. Wobble up. Wobble on it. Wobble up. Wobble up. Show me that shit. Show me love. Show me love. Show me that shit. Show me love. Show me love. Wobble on it. Wobble up. Wobble up.
Yeah, homies. Kada ka mo tayo paspasi my Loco Queens. Judges, ki korfa mo memoria tu kau whakamau, ko toko taha nene ki tanu mia ia. Kataki de tau hoka tu ki John Thomas ni wape, tau taha ua pe mei longo longo. Kau whamau ki korfa mo memoria tu ki toko taha kumina e mo ngalo ia ne nai ka tau hoka tu pakiai, ka tau toko hoka atu. Kataki ka mo paspasi my John Thomas ni wape, all the way from Longo Longo.
uinga e ku whakamu Korero ama koe e ku manatu Te ukaka e maunga Fe ama moana Ke wafi pe Ki o silona O kofi mau Ke kilo Koko ya uinga Koko ya uinga E ku una loto Koe whai tō koe Ki aku ka whumo Ka huna whoki ai taimi Ke whakatanu tanu aku wheharaki Te tuku pā o tā aku maui Whai si o marui Te ukaka e maunga Whe apa moana Ke ka wafi pe Ki a sinona O kofi mau Ke keilo Koko ya e winga Koko ya e winga Kakai maunga
Mama Mohana, Heke Wofipe. Okay, Tahiva. Kata kamo pas-pasi Maya John Thomas, all the way from Kolomotunga. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this next performance or this next contestant actually is gonna turn or wipe the house upside down. Ladies and gentlemen, the young diva all the way from the one-way street. Camila Ria and the crew. Ladies and gentlemen, young diva all the way from the one-way street. Represent. Samone pusbalohi kina pusbalohi kataki papetutaki mai.
I feel so bad, gotta work with my I'm so lonesome all of the time Since I left my baby behind on Blue Bayou Feeling it cold, feeling time Working till the sun don't shine Looking forward to happier times on Blue Bayou. Blue Bayou. Wanna walk the line.
Francisco Mercado. Wow, this is how we do it, girls. Give her up tonight. Kadaka mo paspasima, young diva. Oh. Sorry, they're not yet finished. But
Not yet.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Chicago Theater is proud to announce the first time anywhere there's been an act of this nature. Not only one little lady, but two. You read about them in the papers, and now here they are. Chicago's own killer killers, those scintillating sinners, Roxy Hart and Velma Kelly.
I can like the life you're living. You can live the life you like. You can even marry heaven, but mess around with and that's good. Isn't it great? Isn't it swell? Isn't it fun? Isn't it? But nothing stays. In 50 years or so, it's gonna change, you know. But all is heaven. Now what days?
Okay, you babes of jazz, let's pick up the pace. Let's make the parties longer, let's make the skirts shorter. Let's all go to hell in a fast car and keep it hot.
oh, I forgot to see you. Kata ni kamu terpas imay ang diva. They actually diva it up. Kata ni kata hoko tayo peki tau fiaki hono hoko. Kata kamu pas imay sa imon pus malohi. All the way pia motina pus malohi pia may anana.
Just 1, 2, 3, marching. Ready.
Loto nga kay nga ang technician kay Pohiwa. Kung ko ka Maria de ato aga pa kay Hena. Maria de ato aga pa kay of may Heni, papilitang may Hen kataki.
Yeah. Tonga ko toa. Tumay na ki olunga. Tonga ko toa. Tuka toa ki olunga. Whakake aho tau ki whanua. Tonga foi periote. Hei!
Tuka toa. Ngawe ko toa. Hanga ki olunga. Nima ki olunga. Whaka wheta ia te. Aki tu. Hei! Lea ko toa. Hei! Kala ka toa. Hei! Malo sisu. Opa ia te au. Hei! Tuka toa. Hei! Ngawe ka toa. Hei! Hanga ki olunga. Nima ki olunga. Whaka wheta ia te. Aki tu. Hei! Lea ko toa. Kala ka toa. Malo sisu. Opa ia te au. Hei!
Taha toi tari ia ki he mo ui. Toko taha pe, sisu pe. Ta whoki ko ia me mo ui anga hala. Ako naki anga hala ko tela tai ngata. Aua teke fōi. Humu pake tuku, laka peki mua. Tapu tuku lolo, ki ha te solo. Tele tamatei koe, mu whaka au.
Honi ai mataa koe pare kaka. Hone kakano pake kito ke loto. Matute mo hui te ke tari ho hui. Kakakaranga hala ki e pate tai ngana. Pei ngā lepa ki e mama. Pei ngā lepa ki e moni. Pei ngā lepa ki e moui. Pei ngā lepa ki e eiti. Pei ngā maya toko ki e mama. Pei ngā maya toko ki e moni. Pei ngā maya toko ki e moui. Pei ngā maya toko ki e eiti.
Tu kato. Ngawe koto. Hanga ki olunga, nima ki olunga. Whakawheta ia pe, ai sisu. Lea koto. Kala kato. Malo sisu. Opa, ia te au. Tu kato. Ngawe koto. Hanga ki olunga, nima ki olunga. Whakawheta ia pe, ai sisu. Lea koto. Kala kato. Malo sisu. Opa, ia te au.
Pete anga hala, whakato mala. Tari a titu ki o mouki. Hoko ko eiki, hoko ko ture. Hoko ko tuki, whakamou. More atu ai mea motua. Mo o leva ai mea kotoa. Kala si mama ni toto te. Sisu pe o sisu pe.
Palama o ni pea moe mo ui. Kai ala tahaya ki he tamai. Pau peke fōui a ia sisu. Ano ala tofu peta hane whakato. Ale mani he vani, mohono masan. Ki ngā mani ko ota wheto. Whakawhetai. Wow, ko mai au ta whakamo'u. Pei ngā lewa ki he mama. Pei ngā lewa ki he mo'oni. Pei ngā lewa ki he mo'ui. Pei ngā lewa ki he eiki. Pei ngā mai a Hawaii ua. Pei ngā mai a toko ki he mo'oni. Pei ngā mai a toko ki he mo'ui. Pei ngā mai a toko ki he eiki.
Tu,
kato Ngawe kato Hanga ki o lunga I maki o lunga Whakawhetaya pe asi Hei le a koto Kalaka kato Marosi Ia kea Tu kato Ngawe kato Hanga ki o lunga I maki o lunga Whakawhetaya pe asi Le a koto Kalaka kato Marosi Ia kea Penga mai a toko ki he mama Penga mai a toko ki he mo'oni Penga mai a toko ki he mo'o Penga mai a toko ki he eki
Kataka mo te paspasi mai a Samsoni Pusma lohi pe a mo tina pusma lohi Kataka mo ka ki whai peno whamalo ia e kau sponsor e pōni Digital Tonga Ministry of Tourism Little Italy Limited by Tohi Enterprise Comfort Zone Furniture Tonga Gas Limited 5-star Construction Puatu Itabuke Tadalan Chainship Limited Kataka ka tau hoko tai peki e tau whiahui hono hoko Kataka mo paspasi ima ya kati ola tau fa tau taha nima pea mei bei tongo
I heard there was a secret chord that David played and it pleased the Lord, but you don't really care for music, do ya? Well, it goes like this: the fourth, the fifth, the minor fall, and the major lead, the pair for king composing hallelujah. Well, the faith was strong, but you needed proof. You saw her bathing on the roof, her beauty and the moonlight overthrew ya. She tied you to her kitchen chair, she broke your throne and she got your hair, and from your lips she drew the hallelujah. Hallelujah.
Kada ka mo te pas I mai a kati o la taufa, te bei tongo. Tau hoko Taipei ki hoko, for TNT, all the way from Kolo Motua, te nau ki hoko te break dance. Kada ki ka mo pas I mai a TNT, TNT all the way from Motown.
Just a truth and I'm in the run at the same spot. When she walk in, the whole place get quiet. So the girl look, trust me, I think shot. But I know the first time it's the girl and she had over that. How much carry some 100 and more. But this never reached me before, me no know about. And the way she moves, in the dance when I'm turning up her body. It didn't take no time, I'm about to fall in love from one. Just one. Right now. I get it how I live it. I live it how I get it. I'm pulling with a lemon. Not cause she ain't living. It's just your eyes get a city. And this ain't a scrimmage. We ain't finished. I told you we won't stop. By the business. Like yours, but you're renting. Way hello to the top. Bouncing around, bouncing around, bouncing. Why we do it? Why we do it? I do it for the turn up. Got that ammo left and loaded. I ain't talking about no burn up. Pepper pig, I'll explode it. Got a cabin in Manolo. Manolo. Got a cabin in Manolo.
TNT all the way from Kolo Motua. We're gonna give the judges a little bit of break and we'll do some giveaways. So kids, man lollies. Kids, do you want lollies or you wanna go home? Okay, DJ, drop some music. Quem foi ver no toca maloia e caos pontes, o polo calama toca Scott Challenge, Juan Petana. Maloia e Caroline System, Shakura Company, Icon Kitonga, Tony Session, Oricon Pacific International, Jasmine Hotel Lida Holding, Tonga Real Estate, Isatora Cake Critique, Corporate Immigration Consultant, Visa Service, Happy Kingdom, Holiday, Prima, Mahe, Basta, Lucy Aponga, Deep Blue Diving, Shona Pradeep, Ken Curry House, Sagana Treble, Okimotolia, Mogotoke, Mosposo, and Polo Kalamba, Oye Wampe, Tahahiba. Voy a tener que Salome, toda la foto, Rexma Iloa, Maria Leantoa, Henry Paya, Milika Takataki, Piamo manako heu langi kadaki kamu pangtua kumai ke ruangan di kampung Kelapa. Halo DJ. Halo DJ, ek hou kat peki bawis bem hete pile ko committee. But they forgot a special performance from the Palo system. I would like to ask the Palo system to come back on stage and give us another of their songs. Kadaki kamo paspasi imaya Palo sisters all the way from Kolomotua.
Thank you.
Kadakamo the Paspasi my Palo sisters with a special performance. Before further ado, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to move on and continue on with the competition tonight. We'd like to call upon Atana Sio Angela Baia he opa Ahokobi, all the way from the Bulldogs, Habelu, Kadang kamu pas-pasi imaya Angela Baia he opa Ahokobi.
Hello everyone! I hope you guys are enjoying tonight. The song I'm about to sing is dedicated to my father. It was his birthday yesterday and he's passed away. So this song is for him, but also to my beautiful mother. Hopefully I don't cry. Thank you.
Kanakamoto e pas-pasi mai Ato na Sio Angela Baia Kobe all the way from Habelu, Nia Taputapu and Eweiki. Kazaki from the morning to Hoko ta pepe a mo tau peahi hono hoko ka taka mo paspasi I mai a Salome to a ila potu tau tahatolu from Havelu Baini Loto Foa Ha'apai. Ko Salome ko ne tau tahatolu pa kon vere mai pe me Baini Loto Foa Havelu Loto ka taka mo paspasi I mai.
Take back my life to let it go. You're a criminal, and you still like you're a girl. All the pain and the truth, how well I could battle wound. So ashamed, so confused, I was broken and bruised. Now I'm stronger than I've ever been, and my armor, it made a street you can't get in. I'm a warrior, and you can never hurt me again. Out of the ashes, I'm burning like a fire. You can't save your apologies. You're nothing but a liar. I've got a shame, I've got a street that I will never show. I'm a survivor in more ways that you know. All the pain and the truth, how well I could battle wound. So ashamed, so confused, I was broken. Kata from the morning, kamu terpas-pasi mai, I got tested na taposi ni Feahi. Kita hoko tai peke affectionia iloa tau tahatolu pe mei Havelu, tene whakahoko tene pohiba pe monetisko. Maha kau Havelu hena? Any pull-ups in the house? DJ, drop them.
Baby, me and my body. Taking out, taking like big or high go. I love it how you shake that booty. Let's go and go and tiny for love. Baby, me and my body. I love it how you shake that booty. Drop it down low, then I'm my own one.
Chief Buff's on the track.
All the way from Habelo Bulldogs. Judges, usaibe. Ita hoko tai pepe mo tau peo hoko kata ka mo pas pasi mai a melaya ni wa peta tapa all the way from Longo Longo.
From this moment, life has begun. From this moment, you are the one. Right beside you is where I belong. From this moment on, from this moment. I haven't lived, I live only for your happiness and for your love. I give my last breath from this moment on. I give my hand to you and all my heart. I can't wait to leave my life with you. Can't wait to start. You and I will never be apart. My dreams came true because of you.
hage mo te paspasi mai a mela ia ni wape all the way me toa ko maaku. Panga maria ko ni ko hage ki kole ki timi promotions digital. Panga maria ko ni ko ki pa maria mo tolu. We're gonna go across the commercial break with Digital, the bigger, the better network in the kingdom. Watene kole ke Henry Paea ka pau ke whanongo mai ka taki whakafofi mai ki Stacey. O tonga koe tau kei taitali ki he no set up mai ai tau ki kolosiko ni ki he break pa mo Digital kei whamalo ia e petonga ngai kautaha umolo do toke mo poupou ke whakahoko e peau tariniti e wāpe taha hiwa. Kataka mo paspasi i mai ai o tamai ki koe tena whapuanga ia te Digital tonga na toki whakautak mai penai ni wakai me niwe ane nai. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome the Digital team.
Like 10 car wheels, cold. I give raw chills, 10 different looks, so my lips so kill. I kiss him in the mouth, I feel all grills. Eat in the car, that's wheels on wheels. I was born to flex, diamonds on my neck. I like boarding jets, I like more than sex, but nothing in this world.
Digital, the bigger, the better network in the kingdom.
What I really wanna see is us. I don't really need to be any done. Roll it back, need it up. I got bands in the coop, busting out the roof. I got bands in the coop. Touch me, I'll shoot. Shake a little, you get a little bag and take it to the stores. Get a little cash, you shake it real fast, you get a little more. I got bands in the coop, bustin' out the roof. I got bands in the coop,
promotion que le pa mo kautaha. Pamanato ato e ma so papa nga ni makau ki le sita ki me awi. Para wasi ni bangya para weekend. La pe po ki the grand prize of Toya auto taha ki pa o de mai na ni. Digital, the bigger, the better network in the kingdom. And you can see them on stage right now.
Walk out bodies with a bring a thotty to the whip. And she find her, she think, damn, fucking past the mirror. Ooh, kill my fine. Let her
Pepe CG, ma sumpa, pe na tunya power.
I was born to flex, diamonds on my neck. I like boarding jets, I like more than sex, but nothing in this world that I like more than checks. All I really wanna see is
Pamanato ka mo DigiTV kay Avila Polope. Ya pasti ke MT Awards. Mo me ame pe ki ai por all ane ma sio ko DT Play.
touch me, I'll shoot. Bow, shake a little, you get a little bag and take it to the stores. Get a little cash.
Kataka mo te paspasi i mai e ako performance pa me Digital, the bigger, the better network in the kingdom. Te mau ki kolosa here ki he te pile ko mi teke whanau ki giveaway DJ. Drop me some music please. Kei pamalo ia e penga i sponsorship. Mo ki nau tonu na toko nia e polo kalama o e FA Finita la System, Shakura Company, Icon Tonga, Tony Passion, Oricon Pacific International, Just My Hotel, Linda Holding. Tonga Real Estate, Issatar Take Critique, Proper Immigration Construction and Visa Service, Happy Kingdom Holiday, Rima Mahes, Basta and Lucy Hafoka, Tipu Diving, Siona Boutique, Shen Curry House, and Sianga Travel. This is actually our royal sponsor, not forgetting Waitohi Enterprise, and also Icon Tonga, Pamalo Lahe Pekimotolu, Molototoga, sponsor at Polo Kalama, or in FBA Fini. DJ, please, DJ. Kada kita kita emang lagi pun ni atas pun pergi wei ianya. Drop me something hot. Uya dari Maria le toa kapal ku ke osi foki mai ke osi mai heni kataki paputaki mai ke teni tu. Malo DJ, malo panau. Okay. Kata kwa mwana mwana kaule kape mape po itoko tolu. Bote la utaha. Karipa. Aja speak. Kata mihahake. Tota pe mihahake, tota mehipo, tota me maroto, tota me imoku. Okay, can I just have you? One more, get on stage. Okay. DJ, que foi fácil para beber bem gata. Hoko be motor ya kamani be motor eh. Que Juan y my fan now. Kataki mo kata hoko kata pepe mo tau pe awi he pepini. I would like to call on stage Lilika Taki tau tahano pe me akala au the Momanako Hill Beyonce Langi all the way from Homa Kelly go.
Test 1, 2, 3 on taste on the mic.
Maria Nomuka.
Alejo kuloto, lihe dani laula. Si, ofani ama. I keep trying, not this working. Still wanna know if you're alone. I keep trying, what is behind me? Still wanna know, taking me home.
It's been a long day without you, my babe. And I tell you all about it when I see you again. We got my long way from where we began. And I tell you all about it when I see you again.
Confesión a tu imagino, corona loco todavía. Y a colmo a, mi cotota hacia. Confesión a tu imagino, corona ufie fia. Y a colmo a, mi cotota hacia.
Now look at go be hit at the field. Now tala no to go confessi losi. I make it high enough a cama. Que soliti a tu beku ofa.
Lole, 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 lole,
Boy lole,
lole,
lole, lole,
lole, lole, tamasini, boy, lole, fekita nai afe, lotoni kuokafo, kuokafo.
Kada ka puto paspasi maya manako heu ka muririka. Nela hoko to epe all the way from Waka La Paha, Henny. Anyone from La Paha? Mikey? Kada ka mo paspasi my Henry Paya all the way from La Paha ka mo hupanga lupe.
Before I will start to before I will start singing, I want to dedicate this song to my fellow Palangis right here, and to all the Palangis in this square. This song is for you, but the song is about me only. Sorry. Okay, TJ. I'm confident with singing.
Hey yo, before you start, please can you open your phone?
It was unlocked. Just swipe. I know happy by you.
Hang out, help me by me.
I want to thank my mom for this last minute outfit. This is fake though. No, man. It's real weird.
Take it by me.
You got my head spinning.
my downfall. You're my muse, my worst distraction, my rhythm, the blues. I can't stop singing it, ringing in my head for you. My head's underwater, but I'm breathing fine. Well, you're crazy and I'm out of my mind, 'cause all of me loves all of you. Love your curves and all your edges, all your perfect imperfections. Give your all to me, I give my all to you. You're my end and my beginning. Even when I lose, I'm winning, 'cause I give you all of me, and you give me all of you. Give me all of you. Cards on the table, we both showing love, risking it all though it hurt, 'cause all of me loves all of you. Love your curves and all your edges, all your perfect imperfections. Put your hands up in the sky, Dharma! Yeah, let me see the lights from your flashlights from the telephones. Let me see it. Even when I lose, I'm winning, 'cause I give you all of me, and you give me all of you. And you give me all of you. My Lord.
All the way from La Paja and Hupangalupe, Henry Bael. Thank you, Henry.
Mother.
Ke tau hoko ato e pepe mo tau peau I hoko, ko malia le a toa, le me pasi mo ahi. Kadaki ka mo pasi I mai a malia le a toa, le me pasi mo ahi.
I believe that one day I will be where I was, right there, right next to you. But it's hard and they just seem so dark. The moon and stars are nothing without you. Your touch, your skin, where do I begin? No words can explain the way I'm missing you. The night, this emptiness, this hole that I'm inside. The tears, they tell their own story. You told me not to cry when you were gone, but the feeling's overwhelming. It's much too strong. Can I lay by your side, next to you? I'll take care of you. I don't want to be here if I can't be with you tonight. this hurt that I've been through. I'm missing you like crazy. Can I lay by your side next to you? I'll take care of you. I don't want to be here if I can't be with you tonight. Lay me down tonight. Lay me by your side. Lay me down tonight. Lay me by your side. Can I lay by your side next to you? Thank you.
Kada ka mo tayo paspasi Maya Maria tau Maria Lea Toa all the way from Pasi Moeafi. Ladies and gentlemen, that comes to nearly the end of the night. Okay, whai pe ano whamalo ia te pili ka whamau. Te vita stifa pe mo aso atau pahema. Pe poki ki atanki na pangpo. And also our auditor for tonight, Mrs. Haitelencia and the team from the judges panel. Not forgetting our sponsorship, Pamalo Iape Digital Tonga, Pepoke Ministry of Tourism, Honorable Miss Sika. Pamotoinga ka sponsor Polo Kalama o Efiafini. Ko lea tolongai whanau, ko tau next talent ko whaia dance, ko lea ke mo ki tahataha ki mu te rena vela hataha. Pea ko lea to ki he kaunga awe kone digital, but te mo lava ki tokoni mai ke switch off the lights koni his stage. Ko lea ka taha hena he kaunga awe digital me ilo i hana tamate i he uhila koni mua ni, ke kataki mua o tokoni mai. Kei taina tau pēng whamalo ia Tonga Real Estate, Isatora Cake Boutique, Crowboy Integrations Consultant, Visa Services, Happy Kingdom Holidays, Rima Mahe, Pasta and Lucy Hafoka, Deep Blue Diving, Siona Boutique, Jan Curry House and Shangana Travel, and also Tony Fashion for your continuous support for the Tonga Got Talent. Kata whamone ka mo paspasi Maya Toli Fili Hafoka, all the way from Nomuka, Ha'awhewa, Ha'apai katoa, Noko Owa i Ahau. DJ, when you're ready, dropped it. Kauleka, estamos cuidados. Kauleka. Katangamo de Paspasima, Doripi Hapoka, all the way from Hawaii. And ladies and gentlemen, that comes to the end of our evening for tonight. I would like to thank you all for coming over tonight. Lotonga ko tau talitali ko ki he te pire kau whamau ko whaamke a whakapehenia a soa tau pahema. He's a singer-songwriter and also he's from a background of a family that they produce music and also sell some few albums through internet. Kataki ka mo paspasili mai a soa tau pahema, tene whakahoko tau special performance. Lotonga ia kei whaia ngā ue a e timi e kau whamau, ki ono whakamau i o e polokalama i Pepini. Pamanata ko e Pepini, ka katoa ngai peau i ko e Pepini, e puake e penga i palea i e Pepini. Lotonga ko e tau taitari ki he timi ko niko a ki a soa tau pahema. Kei pai pea no whamalo ia, a ki nau tolo e kau sponsor. O nau lava sponsor e polokalama ko ni, ki lava hoko tauen e hiwa, ai whakahoko e polokalama ko ni. I find Famalo ia Digital Tonga, the bigger the better network in the kingdom. Also Ministry of Tourism, Honorable Minister Semi Sisika, Italy Limited by Tohi Enterprise, Comfort Zone, Beneja, Tonga Gas Limited, 5-Star Construction, Puerto Itabake, Data Line Trains and Shipping Limited, M&J Water Tank Company, Ihofoa Gas Station, the Boliko Alofa Beach Resort, SLA USA Store, Sakura Company, Data Line System, iCoffee Tonga, Tony Fashion. Without your guys' support, this is won't be happening tonight. So, opaya no pamalo ia e kau sponsor. Mo kina tolo tapem na toko ni mai o lava paka honka ia e polo kalama. Kono paka e bia pe kono tanumaki tare niti hako tupu e fonua. Kai kai ke toi palo loa te ukolosa i heni ki a asoa taupa hema. Tahu. Kataki matanga mo te paspasi mai a special performance pe mea asoa tau pahema.
Check 1, 2, 3. It's been a long day. Check this out. Out in my face. The fire is on the
And I tell you all about it when I see you again. We come a long way from where we began. Oh, I tell you all about it when I see you again. When I see you again.
Let's go. Teu tu flow a tu pelo a he. Whakahamu ke ulea ki pera. Te mahino e ofa ia te koe. Nala wine oia we whakapoe. Koe mo'o ni le mosi tala atu pe. Me tawhi puli ngaki i he taimi koto a pe. Ta koe whaahinga holi ia te au. Te pumi pe koe, te pumi ke mahu ei.
Neo ngoe lahi e whaikataa. Mangahi o ho whili mai me e kaha ina. Ka te uwhinga pēta ahi ne ke ulava. O solo wa ai ngai palo pale mati. It's been a long day out in my bay. And I tell you all about
toi whakatatawa Whakaamu hoku roto, whakaamu hoku honga He kuonga ka ahine asi e te masiwa Ke sio whakinela au piniti Ka kua pao hoku roto ki i tāniti O tuma pe i loto, ai whainga ka a Ke he pe ke mahino asi e ku o whae
Sinanga ne whili ke mu o mua E koho kuloto ni o ku a au katoa A whenai a taimi te usi isi o fia O whaanga a si o kofunga It's been a long day I'll do my best And I tell you all I will wear to see you again We come a long way From where we began All I tell you all about it When I see you again When I see you again
Let's go
Wha vene ko wha rau te whia Atu ingi Wano ka ni ka me koto ko e whaka peko a O pōka te koto ko Manako ni he Usika Ko i whakatola he wea te koto I whaiwa hako ege o whahako atu Ko e tō peme ki whaiwa whaparangi ko e I've been missing around Awa e whahaka te ki whaiwa ko ni Ko ki whaiwa ni nau kau i e waftaha no he tongan tikotan Ko ki whaiwa nau whahako e Ati ka toi te moto koto Mara
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Naahine o kumalame Ho'oto o ngā koto a pe Asi o kumafulu a kia te kohe O whaangale a mai pe Kausi I whie mali e Puonge e ni kua te wale Kua te si wale Kua te si wale Kua te si wale Kua te si wale
Yeah, check this out Koe aho moe pō mosi e kuno fo O whakaumi umi noa te kisi o sino E koe moto ia o I kai ke urawa Ke ai hata ke ua aki o sinona E koe mo o ni o kuke fo I taha ona I he mata oe lau I miliona Ko halo se ia o ku iha mo unga O ku whaingata a ke te si o fia
Kua te uki maau Kua kuloto ni ta ahine kua pā Whakaamua nge pe e o ngātu Ai o whakua te luar Ta ahine o kumalawe Ho'oto o ngā koto a pe Asi o kumafulu a kia te kohe O whaangale a mai pe Kausi whie mali e E kuonge e ni kua te wale Kua te si wale Kua te si wale Kua te si wale Kua te si wale
Asi e ku ofa, asi e ku ofa Ni he I kala wake to o meho I misi masani Kua te a pia tahine ho o mari mani Wale anga I lotoni pe mo hoku ata mai Mo uini ko lua ko whai anga whekau Si I o whani tuku weke mui mui folau Ko ena kumafuke mata tua ki au Ko hoko o sino ko lelu anga mai nani
Tua te winga au Hoku lotoni ta ahine kua pā Whakaamua nge pe e o ngātu Ai o whakua te luar Sinoni kua te winga au Hoku lotoni ta ahine kua pā Whakaamua nge pe e o ngātu Ai o whakua te luar Ta ahine o kumalawe Ho'oto o ngā koto a pe Asi o kumafulu a kia te kohe O whaangale a mai pe Kausi whie mali e He kuonge e ni kua te wale Kua te si wale Kua te si wale te sivale, kua te sivale. Sinoni kua te wima au, hopulo toni ta ahine kua pau. Whakaamua nge pe e o kātu, ai o kakua te luar. Roots on the fit to one. Check this out. Ghetto Records. Neo kumalave, ho'oto o ngā koto ape, asi o kumafulu aki a te kohe. Kua te sivale, kua te sivale, kua te sivale, kua te sivale.
Kada ki ka moto e pasi I mai a soa tau pahema. Ko soa ta pahema pokina ne mao e tonga Scott Talent wape tahao no. And I saw us still continuing of doing his music, and he's actually releasing some new music coming up next month. But te pakape I hene Maria le atoa ke no toa kai tau ke taitali ke kau pamau, ke pamapopu mai te pile kau pamau. Ko toa te pakamale ko ni ka Maria le atoa ke ne pakahoko atu hane ki po e performance. Kada ki ka mo pas-pasi mai a Maria le atoa. Time that I'll be a pipe and from Maloia, our sponsors, from Maloia Digital Tonga, Ministry of Tourism, Watohi Enterprise, Sangana Travel, Tony Fashion, with your continuous support, iCoffee Tonga, all our royal sponsors, Malo Lahi Apito Tokoni, Pamunapato Loaki, Otarenite, Hakotupe Fonua.
Baby, if I don't cry, I won't feel any more stone cold, baby. God knows I tried to feel happy for you. Know that I am, even if I can't understand. I'll take the pain, give me the truth. Me and my heart will make it through. If I miss I'm happy for you. Cold, you're dancing with her while I'm staring at my phone. Stone cold, stone cold. I was your amber, but now she's your shade of God. Stone cold, baby. God knows I tried to feel happy for you. Even if I can't
Kataka mo to paspasi imay Amalia Lehatoa kamo ni special performance. Oto ako tau kay tagtali kita pili ko ikaw famau kay hoko to petaw nga special performance. Kaya mo receive may hindi ko mau mai te pili ikaw famau te mau le ba hola ko he fini.
Hi everybody, again. Hopefully I do this song justice and hopefully it sounds okay. It's also other performances really amazing. I don't think I can beat that, but it's worth a try. Let's go.
There'll be no such thing as goodbye, and you'll be standing right where you were. We get the chance we deserve. No, try to deny it as much as you want, but at times our feelings will show. 'Cause sooner or later, I wonder why we gave up. Truth is, everyone knows. Almost is never enough. I'm so close to being enough. If I would have known that you wanted me the way I wanted you, then maybe we wouldn't be two worlds apart. We're right here in each other's arms. We almost knew our worth, but almost is never enough. Thank you.
Kada ke mo to paspasi imay na special performance. Ito kay hoko tayo pepe mo tao special performance si Pepini. Tao bravo may peke te pili ay ko framao. Kada ka mo paspasi imay agenda upa all the way from Colorful O.
Hi everyone. Ako lele. Kuhumuwa ko si mo ataufa. Kung lele may kolong fo'o. I'm just here with my big sister. It was so shocked. So sorry I'm wearing kupelu. And I'm singing All of Me by John Legend. Sorry everyone. This song is to my family out there. You probably won't hear about my sister's support. This song's to you. What do I do without your small mouth? Drop me and you kicking me out. My head's spinning, no kidding, I can't pin you down. What's going on there, beautiful mind? I'm on your magical mystery ride, and I'm so dizzy, don't know what hit me, but I will be alright. My hands undo order, but I'm breathing fine. You're crazy now, out of my mind. 'Cause all of me loves all of you. Love your curves and all your edges, all your pathetic imperfections. Give your all to me, I give my all to you. You're my end and my beginning, even when I'm losing, I'm winning. 'Cause I give you all of me, and you give me all of you. Oh, how many times do I have to tell you? Even when you crown, you're beautiful too. The worries weighing you down, no more. Through every mood, you're my downfall, you're my muse, my world distraction, my red and blue. I can't stop singing, it's ringing in my head for you. My head's underwater, but I'm breathing fine. You're crazy now, out of my mind. 'Cause all of me loves all of you. Love your cursing, all your edges, all your perfect imperfections. Give your all to me, I give my all to you. You're my end and my beginning, even when I lose, I'm winning. 'Cause I give you all of me, and you give me all I love you. Oh, curtain table, we're both showing hearts, risking it all, though it's hard.
your perfect perfection. Okay, give your all to me. I give my all to you. You're my end and my beginning. Even when I'm losing, I'm winning. 'Cause I give you all of me, and you give me all of you. Malo, you.
Talaga mo to Paspasima Agenda Opa for my special performance. Our last special performance of tonight. Kataga mo to Paspasima ya Isa Muigatao, all the way from Panaloto. Stage is yours. Kone lava best special performance, pero mai ko ya te pile ko judges. Pero ne lava ya pa mapo ta programa ki pe pili.
Are you happy in this modern world? Or do you need more? Is this something else is searching for? I'm falling. In all the good times I find myself longing for change. In the bad times I fear myself. Tell me something, girl. Is this something that we need to need hard to keep it so hard. I'm falling. In all the good times I find myself longing for change. In all the bad times I feel myself. I'm a bad demon, what is a devil? I'm never made to cry. Rest for the surface, where they get hurt us. We're far from the shallow now. In the shallow, in the shallow, in the shallow, we're far from the shallow now. Oh, 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 I'm a bit deep and watches the diving. I'm never made to cry. Cross to the surface where they can hurt us. We're far from the shallow now. In the shallow, in the shallow, in the shallow, we're far from the shallow now.
Ke o te pio no whamalo i a kai kau taha. Kuna o loto tō ke na sponsor e mulo kalama o e Epepini. Teacher Seo Tonga, Vaitohi Enterprise, Ministry of Tourism, Semi Sika and his team. O te whamalo lahi ka ki mō tolu. Ka bepo ka ki mō tolu ka i ngā tonga i lava ke mō poupoui. Ano pātolo aki. o tare niti hako tupu e tau e ponua ko tonga. Churches? O tanga tau kei taitari ki he te pine kone ka upa mau, kone ka DJ ki ne tae maki koe pasi.
End of this month, digital, the bigger, the better, and the greater network in the kingdom. Yeah, yeah. vai me now back in DJ. Thank you, kids. Okay, but what's your going? And young mommy in the house. DJ, what's your going? Pagod que sing colo, may sing colo. O si Monica que sing colo, pe. This song is all yours. Stage is yours. What time high going? Kaya tayo ba high going? Pero ito ko ni. Me abay pero oh wow! Take hake! Pata na bego to kolo. Hipo. Cuidado que por si ataca le causa una bucona. Thank you, DJ. Nali ko bao mai te pile ko bao. Ke pai pe no papalo ia ki na tolu na wala to koni mai ki hono sponsor a polo kalama o epepini. Without you guys, this program will never be happen. And next year, Digital promise that we're gonna be here again for our 10th anniversary. Hey, Digital. Pamalola e per pochini che GoCast e na o loto to che na ka una sponsor pro kalama o FPA Quickly. Pai beno pamalola mo tolo ko nga mo po mai ke no teke ai ngai tare niti ai hakotupo e ponua. Ko prepon po kanina e beltia ke pai no expose aki na tolo ko ngai tare niti ka ka peitu ke pai ai a hono pakahaha pe ko hono pakahoko e na ngai tare niti. Korehen ke tare kita pa matimi ko mo maupe. Let's continue on with the program. Listen, please. DJ, last month's song before we do our prize giving. Sorry. Ko tuga lava pe ki wa waste ko ni ta hoka to leva ki ho no kuaki o ngahi pale. Pero kung tupid rin na ikaw papupong at aming ikaw tahagin ng 5 no kuaki ang mga ipalay at tahag.
Tangina ko na tatangina ki hak mo kita ko ni mai ki he fuck it upale ko ni.
Baka ni mangyaw.
Ko tawa mai ki he. Ko ma fanga osi etau polo ko ma ayo ko e. Fo aki etau pale. Ai te tau kamata me he kulupulu aki. Ko toko ono whakakatoa. Ai ka uleka I lalo he tau tahawa. Na e au he pōni. Ko I whika ono. O ku awe ia. Kia mele seini fifita. Se kuia mele in fifita, katak mea mama ho pare.
Pego e pale fica no mau ia e mele seini fifita.
Me kola matua ko telefoni.
A smartphone actually given away by Digicel Tonga.
Ko ka veka ko ni, foi to ono ko ni te na upare ka to he poni. Face on there so you can take a photo. Pale hoko o fuaki ki ahau ki namo e tovi mo mere tovi. Ko ena pale ko ba usia pa nga te au ki liko alofa beach resort sai ko na wo fe pega boto.
Mama mai ko mandi o mama.
Kanga mai amo de homota.
Mama kamu apa mau pare henge anti.
Fica fa. Oku ave ma Abigail Malabe Papas. Kata pego kake pondans. Right da. Abigail. Kumausia panga teau me hofoa gas station and M&J tank water tank. Kalanga heta me tonga gas ha mo to kon mai fa ke pare goni. Koe fika tolu. Koe paanga e tolu ngeau o kufuaki ia ke triple met.
Triple match, MNH. MNH.
Take a photo. Ngay phải guys, tôi có đi mấy con mù cầu để ca mới nào pare. No, just hold on. No. Pare wa. Koe paanga ni mangeau o fuakia ma Ameria e noka. Come get your cash prize. 500 paanga Ameria e noka. Pas Mike Kataki. Koe tawata au nei ikuna ai taleniti o kauleka ilalo he tau tahawa. Koe paanga e tahafe o puave ia mauia ki ahau ki a mere tobi. Mere tobi. Katak me mama pare. Ha wepe mo finegi kataki ke toa ko pare na. Mole.
Meretovi.
Meretovi.
Kore te pega mamo te ke mamai o.
Mo hafa tolo wai pe.
Te malu ke o maka mama me ke anti estila.
Meretovi mo pas mai ke ai pare waki tahafe. Koe hawe ne ka ole ka tau ilava tau tahawa. Koe pare hoko o foakia ki he toko taha. Pes teu lele i taha he pōni. Whakakatoa o foakia. Koe paanga e te au ba Henry Paya. Henry Paya katak mea mai o mau ho pare.
Henry, aku sakit buka pea pale Henry.
The other way. A selfie, yes. Why not? Mau pas bayar Henry bayar. Koe toko tahan ane mau ai. Tokanga ai matanga. Koe paanga e te au, koe pare ki ai koe paanga te au. Fuakia ka Camilla Ria Hensen. Face the other way for the photos, please. And get your envelope. Don't forget. Koe toko tahani ma whakakatoa a kau whiauhi ki he kauleka o ku ova I he tau taha ua. Fika taha lima ko John Thomas. Ko vausia kili ko alofa panga ni manoa. John Thomas. Koe hoko o fuaki moya ka vausia panga ni manoa kili ko alofa Beach Resort o fuaki ke Atanasio Ahogovi. Pare hoko koe vausia panga ni manoa o fuaki kili meili ko alofa ke Flex Meke Iloa me haver loto. Bale hoko fuaki ke logo Queens ko telefoni. Logo Queens. Go in the front. Oh, pass by ke logo Queens. Koe pare hoko, koe telefoni, o te awe beia e Henry Bayer. Henry Bayer, did you leave already? Oh, pass by ke Henry Bayer.
All the way from La Paja and Vaini.
Koe pare hoko o fuakia ma alilika mo manako heu koe telefoni. Day trip ki he toko ua ko eva ki he island resort ko Makahaka mo e deep blue diving. Makaha'a day trip for 2. O fuakia ma Samsoni Fusmalohi. Koe pare hoko, koe vausia panga te au, me hofo against station o fuakia, ma katiola ta aufa. Katiola ta aufa, you still here? Here she is. Mausia Bagadeau, the Hofo against station. Pare Hoko, the Mausia Bagadeau, the Hofo against station. accommodation of Fuakia ma TNT, ma TNT. Can you just give us a moment, please? Pare hoko ko e vausia pangate au ki Lukalofa Beach Resort o Fuakia ma Salome to ila foto. Salome? Pare hoko 2 nights accommodation with Jamie Hotel Ifasimoyafi of Fuakia ma Camila Ria Henson. A weekend with Jamie Hotel.
Scary Dean.
Devita kata kita itu umai ke Fuakia tapade. Koi fika fa. Koi pale. Koi swimming with the whales for 2 people with deep blue diving. Og Fuakia ma isamu igetau. Koi pale koi ni kono ma ngau pa anga fitu yau. For 2 people. Camila for accommodation for 2 people. Ihe Jamie Hotel. Tawau bayani kihe top 3 o fe auhi tau tawa ki olonga. Fika tolu. Kata fika tolu ko paanga tolu yao o Fuakia ma melaya ni wafe. Melaya. David, can you make your way over here, please, with your sign? Palewa, koi paanga di mangeau, o ave ya ki ahau hapai, ya tolifiri hafoka.
Fuakia makatuunga ya ngarelei ai pule mo kautaha e bai tohi Enterprise hanau tolu ya o pale honoa.
O ako e be whakamalo ke Digicel Tonga, ko tau sponsor ia tau ke tau. Pea pehe ki a Semi Sika, Honorable Minister of Tourism. Pea mo ne industry ke ngai tokoni ko tope. Pea pehe foki ke ngotol ko tope na mo sponsor, mo ngai matu au tau iheni ihe fiafini mo tau whanau ke tau tokoni ke whakafiafia e ahoi o e tamatu i Heilala Festival ko e ni. Oku ato ai ha ofa me he komiti e Tonga's Got Talent. Pea oku foaki ai uluaki, pale uluaki ko e paanga e taha afe he Digicel Tonga oku foaki a ma Mele Tovi. Mele Tovi katak famole mole ko la te pare ani nai katak fu it's been a long day pale uloaki paanga tahafe foaki ma Maria Lea ai toa mo pas mati ai Maria Lea ai toa
Tonga ia ngalele CEO pa mai pule me kaunga au e Digicel Tonga ko nau tolu ia nau tolu e pale koni Fuakia pe mea Maria Lea e toa all the way from Pasi Moe Api winner of Tonga's Got Talent 2019.
Malo Pita Bo me and have a safe trip home.
I'd like to thank you everybody for coming over tonight. Actually, thank you over here the DJ Kawa, rest of the judges and everybody that were here tonight. Thank you guys for coming over, supporting us, supporting the youth of Tonga. Cheers. Have a blast week.